mostly sunny. A chance of thunderstorms and this light chance. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Cleburne County and north central Arkansas, northwestern Independence County and north central Arkansas, eastern Izard County and north central Arkansas, southwestern Shop County and north central Arkansas, southeastern Stone County and north central Arkansas until 7:30 p.m. At 6:42 p.m. National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 8 miles northeast of Greers Ferry, or 9 miles northeast of Greers Ferry Lake, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Melbourne, Stella, Sydney, Mount Pleasant, Lunenburg, La Crosse, Cushman, Croker, Zion, Woodrow, Violet Hill, St. James, Sage, Prip, Marcella, Luber, Larkin. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Sunday evening for Arkansas. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 2 a.m. Monday morning for northeastern Arkansas. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ55 in Little Rock, originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in North Little Rock.